Hello everyone. In today's class we will discuss some questions related to continuity of function. So look at example number 15. Fx is equal to greatest integer function of x. We have to check the continuity of this function. What is the meaning of greatest integer? Suppose 4 at the place of x 4 तो it is integer, तो बाहर भी क्या आएगा integer 4. Suppose it is 4.2, it is also 4 because greatest integer function here x is equal to or less than x. It should be integer. So 4.2 बाहर integer ही आना चाहिए. 4.2 integer is 4. 3.7 integer is 3. Same here. In this question we will check the discontinuity or continuity on two cases. First, if x is not an integer, and second case is if x is an integer. Suppose first case, let x is equal to c be any real number which is not an integer. अगर सपोज आपके पास कोई भी ऐसा नंबर है जो इंटीजर नहीं है, x इज इक्वल टू सी बी एनी रियल नंबर विच इज़ नॉट एन इंटीजर. सो लिमिट एक्सटेंस टू सी एफ एक्स. लिमिट एक्सटेंस टू सी एफ एक्स के प्लेस पर क्या रख देंगे? दिस फंक्शन इट इज़ सी. सेम एफ सी फाइंड आउट करेंगे, दैट इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर ऑफ सी. These are equal. Look at this and this, both are equal. I am taking one example related to this. Limit x tends to 1.7 fx. Limit x tends to 1. Suppose I am taking here this x is not an integer, so I am taking 1.7. You can take 2.7, 2.5, 10.3, any non-integer value. So limit x tends to 1.7. X greatest integer, if we will put in this, then it is 1. And same if we will find f 1.7, this is 1.7 greatest integer, it is also 1. These are equal. So this function is continuous at all real numbers except integers. Same in case 2. In case 2, let x is equal to c be an integer. अगर आपके पास c आपने integer लिया in second case, then we will find left hand limit and right hand limit both, and then we will find fc. So here limit x tends to c negative fx, limit x tends to c negative, put the value of fx here, and then we will use substitution method. X is equal to c negative, so we will put x is equal to c minus h, where h tends to 0 positive as x tends to c negative. So at the place of x we will put c minus h. We will put c minus h. So it is c minus h. Suppose I am taking c is 2 and h is 0 positive, means 0.0001. suppose, so it will be 1.9999. so it will be 1.999, so its value will be 1. So it is 1 less than 2, so we can write c minus h greatest integer is c minus 1. Now we will find right hand limit. What is right hand limit? Limit x tends to c positive fx is equal to limit x tends to c positive greatest integer of x. x के प्लेस पर क्या पुट करेंगे? c प्लस एच. देन c प्लस एच ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर इज c, क्योंकि अगर आप 2 प्लस 0.004 पुट करते हैं तो दैट विल बी 2. ओके, 2.004 का ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर क्या आएगा? 2. सो सेम वैल्यू विल कम. सो दैट मीन्स left hand limit is c minus 1 and right hand limit is c. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, so function is not continuous at integers. So in this case, point of discontinuity at integers, and this function is continuous at non-integer values. Now come to next 17th example. Look at some algebra. Algebra of continuous function. What is algebra? Algebra means आपने पढ़ा हुआ है sum, difference, multiplication, division. So in this we will discuss about algebra of continuous functions. Suppose two functions are continuous, then their sum is also continuous, their difference is also continuous, their product is also continuous, and their division is also continuous. So when quotient is continuous at x is equal to c, when quotient is not equal to 0 at that denominator is not equal to 0 at that particular point. जहाँ पर आप continuity चेक कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर फंक्शन 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, suppose we want to check that x plus sin x, this function is continuous or not. So x, we know that this is continuous function, this is polynomial function. Sin x is trigonometric function, this is also continuous. So their sum will be continuous. Same here, suppose this is fx and this is gx. If fx is continuous, gx is continuous, then their sum is also continuous. Now I am taking example number 16 that is related to same. Prove that every rational function is continuous. आपको प्रूव करना है कि जितने भी रैशनल फंक्शंस होते हैं वो कॉन्टीन्यूस होते हैं. सपोज एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू पी एक्स अपॉन क्यू एक्स वेयर क्यू एक्स नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो. पी एक्स इज पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन, क्यू एक्स इज पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन एंड देयर डिवीजन इज रैशनल नंबर, रैशनल फंक्शन where qx not equal to should not equal to 0. So px and qx are both polynomial functions and we know that every polynomial function is continuous. So px is continuous function, qx is continuous function, then fx is also continuous function because by this f upon g is continuous function at x is equal to c when f and g both are continuous. Same here, this and this both are continuous function, so their division is also continuous function. Now come to example number 17. Discuss the continuity of sine function. अब हमें sine function को check करना है कि continuous है या नहीं है. Limit x tends to c fx. We will use first definition here. Limit x tends to c fx is equal to limit x tends to c. Put the value of fx is sin x. Here fx is equal to sin x and we want to check the continuity of this function. Then we will use substitution method. We will put at the place of x c plus h, limit h tends to 0 sin c plus h, and we know that the formula of sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and then we will put the limit in both values. Here sin c cos h cos 0, cos c sin h sin 0. So it is cos 0 1 and sin 0 0. So this part will be 0, 0 into something 0. Answer will be sin c. And in right hand side we will find fc. fc is also sin c. So it is limit x tends to c fx is equal to fc. Hence function is continuous. Now come to next part. 18th example. fx is equal to tangent x. Now we will check the continuity of tangent x. We know that tangent x is equal to sine upon cos, and we know that cos x is not cos x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. If cos x will be 0, this function is not defined, so this will not continuous. So sin x upon cos x, if numerator and denominator both are continuous function, then their division is also, their quotient is also continuous. So cos x should not be equal to 0. तो cos x 0 कब नहीं होता? x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 पर. आपको पता है 0 पाई बाई 2, 3 पाई बाई 2, 5 पाई बाई 2, माइनस पाई बाई 2, माइनस 5 पाई बाई 2, माइनस 3 पाई बाई 2 पर सब जीरो होता है ये कोस. तो हम x नॉट इक्वल टू 2n प्लस 1 पाई बाई 2 लेंगे. वी नो दैट एट दिस वैल्यू अदर वैल्यूज साइन x इज कॉन्टीन्यूस, कोस x इज कॉन्टीन्यूस, then their quotient is also continuous. So tangent x is also constant continuous function at all real numbers except 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Now we will discuss about composite functions. What are composite functions? In first chapter we will discuss composite function. Here what is composite? I am telling a small part of that. Fx is equal to 2x, gx is equal to sin x. Suppose fx is equal to 2x and gx is equal to sin x. Then what will be f of gx? f of gx को हम लिख सकते हैं f of gx, और gx क्या है? sin x. gx क्या है? sin x. So f of sin x, here look, fx is equal to 2x. Then if we will put x place 3, then it will be 2 into 3, 6. Here same, f of sin x, x के प्लेस पर क्या है? sin x. तो it will be 2 into sin x, 2 into sin x. So this is 2 sin x. ऐसे ही g of f find out करेंगे. g of fx, we can write g of fx, and fx is here 2x. Put the value of fx, it is 2x. So g of 2x is sin 2x because g of x is sin x. x के प्लेस पर अगर 2x पुट कर देते हैं तो it will be sin 2x. Now come to next 19th example. fx is equal to sin x square and we have to check this is continuous or not. In this question we have to prove this is continuous function. So we know that अगर मैं इसको, this is composite function, sin of x square is composite function. So let gx is sin x and hx is x square. Gx is sin x and hx is x square. Then what will be g of hx? It is g of hx और hx की वैल्यू क्या है आपके पास? x square. hx is x square. So it is, and we know that gx is sin x. So gx is sin x. Then what will be gx square? x के प्लेस पर x square पुट कर देंगे तो it is sin x square. That means if these two functions are continuous, then their composite function is also continuous. If sin x, we know that sin x is continuous function, x square is continuous function, then their composition is also continuous function. So composite function g o hx is continuous function. Now example number 20. fx is equal to 1 minus x plus modulus of x. 1 minus x plus modulus of x. We want to check continuity of this function. This is also composite function. If we will take, this is one function and modulus is another one. Suppose gx is equal to modulus of x. इस पूरे के ऊपर modulus है तो उसको हम बाद में यूज़ करेंगे और पहले अंदर वाला निकालेंगे. So gx is equal to modulus of x and this full function is hx. इस पूरे को क्या ले लो? hx. So we can write g of hx is g of hx. g of hx. And hx is here. What is hx? hx is 1 minus x plus modulus of x. And then 1 minus x and g of x is modulus of x. अगर g of x modulus of x है then g2 निकालेंगे तो it will be modulus of 2. Same here, g of 1 minus x plus modulus of x will be modulus of 1 minus x plus modulus of x. And we know that these two functions are continuous functions. So their composition is also continuous. So g of hx is continuous function.